we see two little boys are trying to catching fish. Catching fish is a wonderful hobby for littles. When I was little, some of them, I also did that. The boy is trying to catch fish, but failed. The pond looks beautiful. It's a wonderful, excellent, unforgettable, or memorable scenery in our life. Most of the people live in rural area. Bangladesh is full of rivers. In this time or rainy season or flood time, little boys in our country try to spend huge time to catch fish here and there. All of the learners, I also try to do this. What a beautiful scenery in our country. Our country is full of green. Bangladesh is full of green. We actually love our country, but some criminal sometimes some criminals sometimes tries to or deprive of our happiness. What a scenery! What an attempt! It's a wonderful, excellent, marvelous, or memorable scenery in our life. Wow! What? No.